博士，博士，博士。
PhD. Doctor.
PhD. Doctor.
硕士毕业后，我打算出国攻读博士学位。硕士毕业后，我打算出国攻读博士学位。硕士毕业后，我打算出国攻读博士学位。
After graduating with my master's degree, I plan to study abroad for a PhD.
After graduating with my master's degree, I plan to study abroad for a PhD.
他拥有心理学博士学位。他拥有心理学博士学位。他拥有心理学博士学位。
He holds a PhD in psychology.
He holds a PhD in psychology.
李博士在实验室里做研究。李博士在实验室里做研究。李博士在实验室里做研究。
Dr. Lee is doing research in the laboratory.
Dr. Lee is doing research in the laboratory.
签证，签证，签证。
Visa.
Visa.
你需要申请签证才能出国留学。你需要申请签证才能出国留学。你需要申请签证才能出国留学。
You need to apply for a visa to study abroad.
You need to apply for a visa to study abroad.
明天上午我要去使馆办签证。明天上午我要去使馆办签证。明天上午我要去使馆办签证。
I'm going to the embassy to apply for a visa tomorrow morning.
I'm going to the embassy to apply for a visa tomorrow morning.
申请签证所需材料包括成绩证明、护照、国外大学邀请信等。申请签证所需材料包括成绩证明、护照、国外大学邀请信等。申请签证所需材料包括成绩证明、护照、国外大学邀请信等。
The materials required to apply for a visa include transcripts, passports, invitation letters from foreign universities, etc.
The materials required to apply for a visa include transcripts, passports, invitation letters from foreign universities, etc.
报名，报名，报名。
Apply. Sign up.
Apply. Sign up.
欢迎大家踊跃报名参加慈善活动。欢迎大家踊跃报名参加慈善活动。欢迎大家踊跃报名参加慈善活动。
Welcome everyone to sign up for the charity event.
Welcome everyone to sign up for the charity event.
我已报名参加汉语课。我已报名参加汉语课。我已报名参加汉语课。
I have signed up for a Chinese class.
I have signed up for a Chinese class.
报名人数已经超过了500人。报名人数已经超过了500人。报名人数已经超过了500人。
The number of applicants has exceeded 500.
The number of applicants has exceeded 500.
表格，表格，表格。
Form.
Form.
请填写报名表格。请填写报名表格。请填写报名表格。
Please fill in the registration form.
Please fill in the registration form.
请在表格上写下您的电子邮件。 请在表格上写下您的电子邮件。请在表格上写下您的电子邮件。
Please write your email on the form.
Please write your email on the form.
请把您的报名表格打印3份。请把您的报名表格打印3份。请把您的报名表格打印3份。
Please print 3 copies of your registration form.
Please print 3 copies of your registration form.
传真，传真，传真。
Fax.
Fax.
国外大学已经把邀请信传真给我了。国外大学已经把邀请信传真给我了。国外大学已经把邀请信传真给我了。
The foreign university has already faxed me the invitation letter.
The foreign university has already faxed me the invitation letter.
请把您的报名表格传真给我们。请把您的报名表格传真给我们。请把您的报名表格传真给我们。
Please fax us your registration form.
Please fax us your registration form.
请打开传真机，我有一些文件要发送给你。请打开传真机，我有一些文件要发送给你。请打开传真机，我有一些文件要发送给你。
Please turn on the fax machine. I have some documents to send to you.
Please turn on the fax machine. I have some documents to send to you.
号码，号码，号码。
Number.
Number.
用生日或手机号码做密码不安全。用生日或手机号码做密码不安全。用生日或手机号码做密码不安全。
It is not safe to use your birthday or cell phone number as a password.
It is not safe to use your birthday or cell phone number as a password.
请写下您的电话号码。请写下您的电话号码。请写下您的电话号码。
Please write down your phone number.
Please write down your phone number.
3号是我的幸运号码。3号是我的幸运号码。3号是我的幸运号码。
Number 3 is my lucky number.
Number 3 is my lucky number.
谢谢观看。